Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're playing Hytale and it says Hytale has crashed and a critical error has occurred. So how to fix this? Let's get started. What you need to do is open your game and then click on settings, and then you have to click on reset to defaults. Once you do this, in many cases it solves your problem. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. And make sure you restart your game after doing this, so hopefully problem solves. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.